Hello everyone. I welcome you all in again in this channel, the Code Gallery. Uh, so there are many questions which can be asked in the interview. So I bring one such pattern program with you. I think we already have session. We already had the session on this equilateral triangle. We'll try to just reverse it here and create one rhombus, and without wasting your time we'll just start coding. So again we are here in the Google. I've searched this online Java compiler, and we have class main, we have main method here which will accept strings and arguments. I'll just remove this default print statement and we'll start the coding. So as you guys might have aware, we'll just analyze the program first, and after analysis we'll decide how we'll breaking it down and into the different parts and then proceed further. So as I can see here, if we consider, we'll just see how many rows and columns are there. So I can see there are 5 rows again, and columns are like, I can see from here 9 columns are there. So to write the program for this, we'll just break the upper section and the lower section. In this upper section, there are 3 sections I can see. First one is this spaces one, where like you can see in the first row, 4 spaces, then 3, then 2, then 1, likewise. So it's descending in order, and then stars will be getting printed here. So if you take this right angle triangle till here, so that will be the second part of our code, and third one will be from here. So second triangle, we'll just start creating the loops. So as I can see, 5 rows are there. I'll just initialize integer n with 5. Then again we have to start uh, printing the outer loops, which will give us rows. I'll just write again, which will give us rows. And this is for your understanding, guys. Then the outer loop should be with a like we will use for loop here, as you already know. We'll initialize this for with integer I equal to 1, I less than equals to n, then I plus plus. So I'll write one more part here. Okay, this is outer loop, right? Inner loops, for that we'll just write one line, comment line for you. Instead of loop, we'll need loops, so I'll just write loops here, which will give us columns. And again, as we know, we have 2 sections and 3 part in each section. I'll just divide the sections into part. I'll say first part, and in the first part we will need to print the spaces. the spaces you can see here, 4 3 2 1. For that we'll just write the code now. Again, we will be needing one for loop which will be initialized with any variable, say j. We will start it with I. So I'll explain it further maybe. Actually, you might be aware we have already covered such a program before as well. Then j plus plus. And here, as we know, we need to print spaces. Make sure we are not writing the ln here. Okay. So as you can see, this for loop will start integer I. Then the condition will be I is less than equal to n till 5. This loop will run, this outer loop, and we need that to run till 5 iterations. And once I is equal to 1, it will come under this outer for loop. Then the second for this initialization will be happening, and then for int equal to j, sorry, int j equal to I, where I is equal to 1 for first iteration. Then j is less than equal to n, it will check whether 1 is less than equal to 5. Then it will print the spaces. This loop will be there till I becomes 5, and till that time it will print the spaces. We'll see what will be the output for this, but as there will be spaces we'll not be able to analyze, we'll write something more. So for that we'll see this much part will be covered in that loop. Now we'll cover the part here, second part, which will give us the right angle triangle, and for that I'm just going to write the code now. We'll say second part here. It will print star. So again we'll start the for loop. We'll initialize it with j equals to 1 again, and then j is less than, we can say, I, then j plus plus, and here we're going to print stars. Now we'll just analyze the code again. So when I will be 1, spaces are already ready on that row, specific row. We are not changed yet. We are not into next row. So after printing the 4 spaces, uh, then we'll check whether fifth one it is printing star or not. So here if it will check uh, j's value till ith iteration. So we initialize j with 1, and as uh, j is less than uh, 1, so this condition will be false and will be directly moving to next one. We will see that one as well. We'll just write the actually it will not print anything as of now. So for that we have to check the next iteration. We'll just move on to next line. For that we'll just write one more line. So for moving to next line, we have to go out of this for loop, then only we can write it. So we'll be here now. First for loop, let me just I can't make it full screen. Okay, sorry for that. So this for ends here. After this, we'll just write system dot out ln. So this line will take us to the next line. We'll just comment, make one comment here. Now we'll see how it goes. Oh, as of now, our code is printing, but this is not proper, I guess. Maybe we'll write it again. Something we are missing somewhere. It's not changing the line. Why? Let me check. Oh, so I think here it should be required, and here might be our for is ending. So see, this is the mains curly brace. This is the sorry, this is the class, and this is the main methods curly brace. So we have to so we have to keep two braces after that, and this is the for one, which is here. Yeah, this is outer loop now. Yep, we have to write that code here. So now if you see here, four spaces and then one star is there. Here one space and then star is there. I think we need one more. Let me just make it equals to and try running it. Oh, or what is that? Did we miss something? Eh, let me check it again. This is running fine. Okay, let it be. We'll just try adding the second part of the triangle and see what we get here. Or so we'll say this is third part. Which will print again star. Same, I'll just initialize it with J only. Okay, and we'll start with 1 J less than equal to I J plus plus, and we'll see inside this we'll print star. You can copy paste as well from here. And now the rhombus is ready. Okay, so the first part here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4. So it's working fine as we expect. Let me try commenting this code and till where we were getting the output, we'll see. So we were getting like this 4 here and then 5. Okay, that's fine. So we can say our first section is ready here. So now it's a bit simple. We'll just invert the outer row condition and our code will be ready. So we'll just pick the outer for and paste it and reverse the condition. So till here, I'll say here second section. So likewise, I'll just mention here first section. Whatever you copied, just paste it here. We'll try running it. It should print two triangles like this. Okay, now we just have to attach it here. You can say like that. And to make it to change the direction of this arrow, we will just do minor change in our outer loop condition, which will be like we'll just reverse the condition here. Now I will start with 5 and we'll go till 0, and here instead of plus plus we'll just say minus minus, so every time it will decrease. And yeah, I think our output will be ready. Yes, all good. It's giving us the rhombus, which is shown in the pattern here. So that's it for today. Thank you very much.